Hello, every single body. I think that's going to be my new intro. But anyway, welcome to the video. This shoe, I did get it in the sale and it is a really good deal and I think it's a really dope shoe. So without further ado, let's get straight into the unboxing. Let's get straight into it. Love a fucking pull tab. Just super convenient, man. Don't make me cut it open. Damn, what the fuck box is this? Okay, so this shoe I think you are going to really like and appreciate this review. I think this is a sick shoe, and especially at the fucking price you can get it at now. Jump on it, guys. I've never seen an Adidas box like this, but all white and in different texture. It has those 3 stripes, so you know it is Adidas. So it's a glossy white box and 3 stripes in like maybe a matte finish. So, oh man. So you get a nice little bag. Feels all right. Some Adidas bag, cool. Here we go. Definitely be reminded of course, the Yeezy 500, specifically the midsole, the like wavy, bubbly, bulbous midsole. The fact that you have a lot of oval shapes, specifically around the lace holes, you'll see also shares a lot of similarities to the Yeezy 500. And pretty much the construction, the design looks very similar. So completely boost, and it's very soft. Pipes going everywhere. So these plastic pipes that start at the back of the shoe and are basically just weaving in and out of the upper. These are called the Torsion X Adidas shoes. Down from 150, this is going for £60. I spent £60 on these. I think that is a fucking deal. The materials are super nice. There's this suede leather on the medial portion of the foot as well as the outside, and of course around the lace holes, and it has 2 other sections at the back. It has this very vibrant almost neon orange on the inside around the ankle area, and of course in the piping around the heel, and also this little block. This feels quality, man. This feels super nice. So yeah, retail £150. Don't forget, I'm not going to do the dollar conversion. I don't even, you know what, I am. Fuck it. £150, $200, and I got them for £60, which is about $80. Sick deal, really good. Well over half price, and for sure at this price point, if you manage to get your size, fucking go for it. Trying these on, they are extremely comfortable. For me, these fit perfectly, true to size. Man, these are really comfortable. They hug. The upper material is nice and soft and hugs your foot. Obviously boost, we all know. So that is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. Again, if you want to buy a pair of these, they're on sale right now. Highly recommend them. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Subscribe. Oh yes, bleh. fuck, was the Gorilla Tape in here the whole time?